Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put a Cadillac Escalade in neutral, full guide. Start by setting the parking brake and confirming the vehicle is stable. Locate the gear selector on the steering column or center console and review whether you have a shift release button. With the brake pressed, use the shift release if needed, move the selector to neutral, and verify the dash indicator shows N. A common step is using the shift release to move into neutral when the shifter is locked. First, press and hold the brake firmly to unlock the system. Then depress the shift release button or tab while moving the selector to neutral. If the vehicle uses an electronic shifter, ensure ignition is in accessory mode so the system responds. Confirm the instrument cluster displays N before letting off the brake slightly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video so we can make more useful tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for unbeatable comfort during long drives or roadside work. The socks are great for standing while you check the shifter or moving a vehicle. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Safety matters when using neutral for towing or pushing a vehicle. Always engage the parking brake first and chock the wheels to prevent rollaway. Avoid shifting to neutral while traveling at speed except in true emergencies, and keep both hands available to steer if momentum changes. If you need to push the vehicle, have at least 2 helpers and communicate clearly. Check the dash and confirm neutral before release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.